is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. And if you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, why, first of all, but you know what to do. If you are not, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And there's more than enough room on this family tree. Look, one of my subbies sent me that right there. It's a tree. There's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, I have this, see, it's just a plain old box, right? No, y'all, this is my purchases from Boxycharm, okay? So I haven't opened it as of yet, but I'm gonna open it here with you so that we can see, because I'm gonna tell you the truth. Okay, because I really don't remember a lot of what I did purchase. I did not get a whole lot of stuff because that is not what I do. I know what I'm waiting for, and as soon as the sale comes up, I'm on it, okay? So we open it up. Of course, I appreciate the fact that they wrapped it very, very well this time. The last couple things I got from Boxycharm, they were not necessarily in pristine condition. So let's just jump in, and I'm going to show you. I have certain things that I really, really love. So those were the items that I wanted to get extra of. Of course, those items I was introduced to from Boxycharm. So the first, second, third, okay, so the first 4 items that I got are spongels, okay? This is a body wash infused buffer, okay? I love these things, okay? Plus, when my babies come, they can go and get whichever one they like, you know, so they have it while it's here. This says benefits: body wash, a buffer, dermatologist tested, cleanses, exfoliates, hydrates, and massages, okay? All in one. It's good for all skin types. It's 100% paraben free, no chemicals. It's got a fantastic shelf life, and it is cruelty free. Now this says it's multi-use. Now I will tell you, I have gotten probably, I'm gonna say between 20 and maybe 22 showers out of each one before it's really time to really throw it out. And it starts off really hard. I'll open it up so you can see it. This is what they look like. Okay. And this is interesting because they usually come with the string. For whatever reason, it's not here. But I'm okay with that because I don't really care about the string anyway. I just want the product. So this one smells really nice, okay? And the first one that I received is Moonflower, okay? The second one, which smells even better than the first one, is Blackberry. The third one is Blood Orange Sorbet. Now, I'm gonna tell you the truth. The only reason I got this one is because my husband is a Trekkie. And, well, I won't even finish that because he's coming around the corner, so he already knows I'm talking about. But, so this one is Blood Orange Sorbet. And you know what? I must have really wanted to try this Blackberry because I do see that I have 2 of them. Okay, then the next item that I purchased is, this item is the stainless steel reusable straw set. It comes with 2 stainless steel straws, the brush cleaner, and of course the carrying case. This is the carrying case and it's by Swig Life. I really like this thing, and it says, my favorite drink is the next one. Okay. And then this primer I was introduced to through Boxycharm, and I love it. This is the No Pore Blem primer, okay? And this is a Korean brand and by the company Touch and Soul, and it says smooth and pore covering, top secret top secret for perfect makeup. Okay, that's a nice play on words, and it is 1.01 fluid ounces, and I really do love this stuff. So this is what it looks like. Okay, I love the texture of it. Okay, it has a little pink cast right here. However, it goes on clear. And it is amazing. Okay, now it is a hydrating primer, but it doesn't make your skin look oily. That is one of the reasons that I like this so much. It dries down nice and smooth, so your products just slide right over it, and it helps to protect our skin. So I really do like this, hence the reason why I purchased it again, and I really don't know why I only purchased one. Probably because I have about 6 other primers in the drawer, but that's okay. That's my go-to. Now, I really thought that I only purchased 4, but I didn't. I purchased 6 of them. This one is the lavender vanilla, and this one is black orchid. This one was an absolute favorite. The smell of this was just amazing. So that was the reason I really wanted to see, you know, about the blackberry. And this smells nice, but I'm not sure if it's gonna cover this one. And I could only get one because they didn't have any left. I ordered more than one, but by the time I went to check out, the rest of them were already gone. So this is my humble little Boxy pop-up order. I will leave the prices, manufacturer suggested retail prices, plus the prices that I paid for each of these items down below. Now, I thank you so much for checking it out with me on today. Now, as I stated, and I'm going to put a full picture of it inside, this wonderful tree that is behind me was given to me by such a very, very, very special subscriber. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it at that. I'm trying not to get emotional, but I'm not gonna stop there. I received another gift. I thank y'all so very much. You really make me feel special. I just really want you to know that, okay? Because I received this card right here from another of my subscribers. That is absolutely so very, very special to me. Now, I'm going to let you in on a little secret. The person that sent me this card, her and my husband, for whatever reason, have this race to It's very funny, y'all. I'm just going to tell you, y'all check out, if you haven't already, because you probably have noticed, when it is time for comments down below, it's one of the two of them that are first. And I see now where they're like, no, not you, you're not supposed to get there before me, and you know, that kind of thing going on. So I really do appreciate your support, my hubby. I appreciate his support, but I want you to know, I appreciate you. You know who you are. I'm trying not to out you, but I said enough where they'll already know who you are. But I just want to say, she said, thank you for being such an awesome person in light. I love your channel and unboxings. May you stay blessed, motivated, and encouraged. Okay? And she left me a scripture. Psalms 118:1. I'm going to put it on the screen. Love, 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 love. But she didn't stop there. I like jewelry. Just in case you can't tell, you know, I really do like jewelry, okay? I like it a lot. I have a lot, but you can never have too much, okay? And she not only pays attention to my videos, she pays attention to me in my videos. And she sent this beautiful piece to me. She sent this beautiful piece to me, and I appreciate it. I appreciate what you sent. I appreciate you. I appreciate. I thank y'all so very much for being such a support for me. I went through a time where I lost so many of our subscribers. It practically knocked me back down. I was well under 1,000, and I don't necessarily know if I'll ever get them all back, but I will encourage you, please check, make sure that you are still subscribed, make sure that you're getting notifications. There has been a change in the notification policy here on YouTube, so please check for me. Do your girl a favor and check and make sure that you are indeed still subscribed and that you have your notifications turned on. So I just wanted to say, now I'm not saying that these are the only people that show me love, because I'm not saying that. I just want them to know that I appreciate, and I did receive the things that you sent to me. I appreciate you. I appreciate what you sent, and keep watching. Now, I just want to say thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today. I know that your time is your most valuable asset. Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you, yes, you, will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.